Alright guys, here it is, the LaTrax Alias. So I am not a big flyer. I do not own anything that flies. If you saw my video on my very first RC, it was a Traxxas DR1, but that's about as far as I went with it. Everything else has been on the ground. So I chose the Alias because it is a entry-level drone. It is fairly simple to operate. For the price, $99, there's a lot of features that you get with this. And again, I'm not a flyer, so definitely didn't want to break the bank on something that I'm probably going to crash and break anyway. So what's in the box? Of course, the LaTrax Alias, the 2.4 gigahertz radio. There is a 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp LiPo. Looks to be a USB charger, some AAA batteries, and some spare blades. There are 3 modes on this. There's easy, fast, and expert. Easy is probably what I'll be flying on to start out, but then you have fast, which has some pre-programmed tricks, and then you have expert, and you can pretty much do what you want to do. Full rotation. Alright, so enough with the box. Let's get into this thing. Alright, so on the inside we have the quick start guide. There's also a manual, owner's manual, and here are the extra blades. And here it is, the LaTrax Alias. Packaged very well. Here is the remote. Here are the Traxxas batteries. Here is the LaTrax battery charger. And this charger is for the 3.7 volt LiPo battery. It's a very thin battery, and it has the JST mini plugs on it. Also comes with a little Allen wrench. And here is the drone. The weight on this, it's very light. It doesn't feel cheap, but it does feel light. The plastics on the arms feel pretty good. They're flexible, but they feel pretty durable. There are little lenses here for lights. The underside where the battery will slide into. And here is a close-up of the motor system. You can see the motor powers a pinion, which would spin the blade. So it's not just a straight motor shaft 2-blade design. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get these batteries put in the radio. Alright, so I slid the battery in. And everything's fired up. I have not charged the battery, but I figure it's good for a test. The controller feels good. It's got some weight to it. And I also like the LCD screen in the center there. The remote has the ability to turn the lights on and off. Alright, so to engage, just press the button in, and we are ready to go. So without charging the battery, that's about the most I got out of it, but still fun to try it out in the garage. It is super windy today, so I'm hoping the wind dies down and I get a chance to try it out outside. Alright, so that's about it on my LaTrax Alias. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. See you soon.